I'm K. Rashmi Savera, student teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the Kothari Commission. So, what is Kothari Commission? The Kothari Commission is the appointment of Education Commission which was held between 1964 to 1966, that is called as Kothari Commission, which is also known as the National Educational Commission, which was held up in the year 1964. It was taken for the development of education, and that report, Kothari Commission submitted a report in 1966. So the year was between the 1964 to 1966. So these are the basic information. What is it? Official name is equal to National Educational Commission, which was held in the year 1964. It was formed in July 14, 1964, and its report was submitted on June 29, 1966. The chairman was Dr. Dulat Singh Kothari, that is, which is otherwise called as D.S. Kothari. In this commission, there were 17 members, and their headquarters were in New Delhi, India. What are the recommendations of Kothari Commission? The opening sentence report, the destiny of India is being shaped in classroom. So they transform the education and they relate it to the life and the needs and the aspirations of the people, the realization of natural goals. What are the aims of education? The aims of education is the education, productivity, social and national integration, education and modernization, development of democracy, social and spiritual values. Now let's get into the aims of education point by point. So the first one is education productivity. So the science education is one of the important and the integral part of the school education. So students must be able to study science and maths in the secondary and primary levels of their schools. So the work experience is an important aspect that is in general education. So vocational education at the secondary school stage is the productivity age of secondary and school education. Improvement of scientific and technical education. This is about education and productivity. The second one is social and national integration. According to this commission, there were social common school system, social services, NSS, NCC, teaching languages, literatures and philosophy. These are about the social and national integration. Third one is about education and modernization. Another important main aim of education, that is education and modernization. Education should awaken curiosity, interest, attitude, sense of values and skills in the pupils of the students. Next is about development of democracy. So in this, India is one of the largest democracy in the world. So the success of democracy depends upon the education of the masses. So where is the living education to productivity? The link between the education and productivity could be forced the development of the following programs. Science as the basic component of the level of education. Work experience is the integral part of the general education. So vocationalization education, especially at the secondary school level, to meet the needs of industry, agriculture and trade. So this is all about the democracy of education. Fifth is about the social and spiritual values. Education system should emphasize the development of fundamental social, moral and spiritual values. This is about the social and spiritual values. What are the education structures of the Kothari Commission? Preschool education, that is 1 to 3 years, and the 10-year period of general education is about the lower primary and the upper primary, and the high school stages of 3 to 2 years, that is 10th to 12th or 11th and 12th. Status of the teachers is where the teachers play an important role, and the teachers should be of the improving should be the standard education. The teacher should be quality and qualified, and character should be leveled. Social, economic and professional status of teachers should be improved in the school education, primary and secondary school education. What are the important recommendations of the Kothari Commission? That is, should stress the importance of science, importance of education, vocational, technical training, agricultural research, adult education, literature campaign. These are the important recommendations of Kothari Commission. So what are the merits of Kothari Commission? Masterly piece of work on aspects of Indian education, presented comprehensive study of educational problems, and that made realistic approach to link education to social, economic, cultural and spiritual aspects of Indian life, and recommended reasonable and respectful scales. These are the merits of Kothari Commission. And what are the demerits? Position of heads of schools was left undecided, and it made a mistake in placing Sanskrit on the par with Arabic. And views of commission was controversial. So these are the demerits of the Kothari Commission. What is the government action taken by the Kothari Commission? It was on the basis of the report that new education policy was declared in the year of 1968. Guidance and counseling made adequate arrangements in the Kothari Commission. So these are the government action taken by them. So these all about the Kothari Commission. Thank you. Thank you so much for the patient listening.